How to use Qwarta Home Credit on Shopee 2025. While there isn't an official Shopee checkout method labeled Qwarta, you can lightly add funds to your Shopee Pay wallet via the My Home Credit app. Then use that balance to pay for your Shopee purchases. So here's how you can do it, which is hypothetically, by the way, reconstruction based on available payment flow for Shopee. So you can open the My Home Credit app. Navigate to the load or e-wallet top-up section, like top-up Lazada wallet or the equivalent for Shopee. Enter your Shopee link mobile number or account details, and then input the amount you'd like to top up. Confirm the transaction using your Qwarta balance and then the authorization. Once successful, you can check that your Shopee Pay wallet is credited. You can then use that Shopee Pay to complete your purchases on Shopee. So unfortunately, Home Credit doesn't currently list Shopee as a direct online merchant like Lazada, so a direct application may involve using Shopee Pay as an intermediary. But anyways, that is pretty much one of the indirect methods to do so. So hopefully this method can work and can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.